how to deposit money in CoinMarketCap. Here's how it works. You want to load up the app. Once you have the app open, CoinMarketCap is a portfolio tracker. You can track crypto and portfolios. So if you want to deposit money, quote unquote, you will click on portfolio here at the bottom, and you will see the options to connect a wallet, add transactions manually, or connect your Binance account. So for example, if you want to deposit money, or you have already deposited money into your main crypto wallet, then you can either connect your wallet, like I said here, you will click on connect wallet, paste your address, type a portfolio name, and click on create connection. And that is also automatically going to transfer over your deposited money in crypto into this account. And also what you can do is add transactions manually. So you have to choose the cryptocurrency and whether you bought or sold. Here you will type out how much you bought or sold, and you can add the transaction. And once you confirm it, this is going to automatically quote unquote deposit money, but it's basically just going to make it track the portfolio. Hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.